Good morning, dear student. Today we have to learn in standard 10th subject social science chapter number 1. The name of chapter is Heritage of India. India is a land of ancient culture. Ancient Indian scripture Vishnu Puran stated here. What they have to given student? Here student they have to given that India is a land of the ancient culture. In ancient Indian scripture one state they have to given into the Vishnu Puran. They have given one sloka here. According to their sloka, they have given that it means India is extend from Himalaya in north to the Indian Ocean in the south. What they have to say that they have to say that India is extend from Himalaya in north to the Indian Ocean into the southern part. It is said that new descendants are called the Indian. What they have to say that they have to say that this is the one kind of the new descendants are called Indians. Now, dear, what was the meaning of descendant? Descendant it means a person, plant, or animal that is descended from a particular ancestor. In the beginning of any auspicious ceremony, Bharatvarsh, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip, and Aryavarta, etc. Word are used while taking the resolution. What they have to say that they have to given the word that Bharatvarsh, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip, Aryavarta. These all are the words are used while taking the resolution. Our country is gifted with the natural boundary in Himalaya, in north, sea in the east, west, and south. What they have to say that they have to say that three sides. Our nation was covered with the sea, with three sides, east, west, and the south. While in the north direction, you know very well that Himalayas is there. And these all are the natural boundary surrounded by our nation. From all over the world, different country is mesmerized by the Indian prosperity and came to the trade. What they have to say that they have to say that the all over the world was attracted from the Indian prosperity, and that's why the from the all over the world maximum nation was to be eager to come to the India for the trading purpose. That's why the outside of the nation so many nations was came to India for the trade after they have to settle and mingled with the Indian culture. So, due to the mutual exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. Now, what happened then? Here in India, you find that mutual exchange of the many changes. It means the people are sharing their culture, their thoughts, their ideas. That's why we have to find that due to this exchange, many things we have to see into the our culture. In this way, our heritage is transformed from generation to generation, and it is the continuous processing. And that's why what we can say that our heritage is one kind of the transform from generation to generation, and it is a one kind of the continuous progressing. Now our next topic is India location and area. We have already studied in standard 9 about the present area and location of India. Dear children, already you are learning in previous standard about the location and area of the India, and you know very well that the India is the seventh largest country in the world, and the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer is there. And it was very vast in ancient time, and now from the area wise it stand on the seventh rank. If you see the rank wise for rank from area wise, then India stand from the seventh rank. Then which nation is the first rank? Russia is the first rank. Second, Canada is there. The same way, sixth rank is Australia. Seventh rank area wise India, and eighth rank from area wise is Argentina is there. And population wise on the second. According to population, India rank was a second, and first rank was already the China. You know very well. After, our next topic is rich and varied heritage. Our motherland has bestowed rich and various heritage to us. So, as the world, Indian culture have been trade oriented and peace loving. Dear student, you know very well that our motherland was rich and various heritage, and that's why we can say that in India, the unity in diversity is there, and from the all over the world. Indian culture have been trade oriented and peace loving. It means our Indian culture was trade oriented, and also we are following the peace, non-violence. Sat, Chit, Anand are realized from the Indian culture. What we are learning from our Indian culture? Indian culture, from Indian culture, we are learning the Sat, Chit, and Anand, and this all are for the mental capability and for the mental capacity for the peace, and think about the Vasudev Kutumsa. Beside the Indian culture prosperous with the mutual exchange of different culture of other country which came to India and settled here. What happened that Indian culture is already the prosperous, and that's why what happened that we are exchanging our culture with other country. Why? Because other nation people was came to India for the trading purpose. After the people are living into the India, and that's why they have to settle here. That's why we are exchanging our culture, our prosperity with them. They have accepted our value of non-violence and peace. It means the Indian people are believe in which value Indian people was believe into the value of non-violence and peace. And you know very well that Gandhiji is also the following non-violence and peace, which have been adopted and admired by the world. And you know very well that now the all over the world need to accept the our culture, and our culture is for regarding with the non-violence and peace. People right from the beginning of Indus Valley civilization till today have made our country rich, wealthy with their intellectuality, ability, talent, and skill. Now, what happened then? If you think about from the beginning of Indus Valley civilization and present today, then our country was rich and wealthy in all field. How we can rich and wealthy? Because of the people, their intellectually ability, talent, and skill. Innumerable scholar, thinker, artisan, saga, son, scientist, historian have contributed to the growth and development of our culture. Now, which are the people? Who are the people? They given the more contribution for the development of our the culture. They above all are the people they given their more contribution for development of our culture, like example scholar, thinker, artisan, son, scientist, historian. They all are the people they given the growth and development of our culture. And what was the meaning of culture? If you ever textbook, then you have to underline this is the most important definition. Culture is a sum of habit, value, custom, tradition, and conduct of the lifestyle of the human. Would they have to say that about the culture? Culture, it means the sum of the habits, value, custom, tradition, and the conduct lifestyle of the human. But next topic is, dear student, meaning of culture. Culture means a way of life. It is made up of changes that occur in the public life, social rules and regulation of the different society. What is the meaning of culture? Culture, it means the way of life. Way of life, it means how we are living our life. And it it is made up of changes that occur into the public life, social rules and regulation of different society. It can be said that culture is a total of habit, value, custom, tradition, ideal, leading humans to the highest level. Now, our next topic is cultural heritage of India. Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefather to us. Now, what was the meaning of heritage, dear student? You have to underline or box it. Heritage, it means the valuable gift from our forefather. It means from our ancestor. What we are getting, this is called as a valuable gift from our forefathers. Indian history is a thousands of year old. Indian history is a thousands year of old. We say in school play, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. Dear student, you know very well that in morning assembly of school, in school play, you said that I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. In this context, heritage is a precise gift from our motherland to the whole world. Now, what was the meaning of heritage? Heritage is one kind of the precise gift. From where we have to get this precise gift? We are getting this precise gift from our forefathers. This gift from our motherland to the whole world. About these mysteries of human life, we divide our heritage into two divisions, and that's why what happened that here we have to divide our heritage into the two parts.